Today, I'm sharing 9 unique trailing plants that you absolutely need to try. These aren't your typical Pothos or Philodendrons. These plants bring a fresh twist to your indoor space with their vibrant colors, textures, and cascading beauty. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the stunning Trailing Begonia. These are nothing like the begonias you've grown before. Varieties like the Angel Wing Begonia or Coral Begonia have gorgeous leaves and delicate flowers that look incredible trailing from a hanging basket. They're a must-have for anyone who loves a pop of color and texture. Forget the typical upright jade plant. Meet Trailing Jade. Varieties like Ripple Jade are perfect for hanging baskets or shelves, where their lush cascading growth can really shine. Plus, they're as easy to care for as your regular jade plants, making them a great choice for beginners. Did you know rosemary isn't just for cooking? Trailing rosemary varieties like Golden Trailing and Silver Falls are amazing for adding fragrant greenery to your home. Place them in a sunny spot and they'll reward you with a refreshing aroma and delicate trailing stems. Peperomia fans, you're going to love this. Trailing varieties like Cupid, Red Edge, and Belly Button Peperomia have the most beautiful patterns on their leaves. They trail down gracefully, making them perfect for shelves, plant stands, or even as a centerpiece in your living room. You've probably seen African violets before, but have you ever seen them trail like a waterfall? Varieties like Red Rider Trail or Little Trio bring a whole new level of beauty to this classic plant. Plus, they're surprisingly easy to care for with a little bit of bright, indirect light. Ferns are a classic, but Boston Sword Fern takes it up a notch with its lush trailing fronds. Place it on a high plant stand or in a hanging pot, and it will instantly transform your space into a green paradise. It also loves a bit of humidity, so it's perfect for bathrooms. We all know and love spider plants, but if you want something extra special, try the Hawaiian or curly varieties. These plants grow in compact clusters and trail beautifully, adding a touch of whimsy to your indoor garden. Marantas or prayer plants are known for their stunning patterns and colors. When you let them trail down from a high spot, their unique foliage really stands out. They're also pretty forgiving, so even if you're new to plants, you can keep these beauties thriving. And finally, we have the striking Pellionia devonata. This plant is a showstopper with its twin shades of green that look absolutely stunning as they cascade down. If you're a fan of colorful, eye-catching plants, this one is a must-grow. So there you have it, 9 unique trailing plants that can completely transform your indoor space. Which one is your favorite? Or maybe you already have some of these beauties. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.